Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech EVO 4 short riding gloves. Okay, the all-new redesigned TracTech EVO 4 short riding gloves retail for $79.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. These are a 2X. They fit and feel as I would expect. RST makes some of the and I say it every time, right? Here goes the RST fanboy off again, right? They make some of the best sport bike products that sell for the most affordable prices you're going to find on the market. That's why we're importing this stuff. This glove is another fine example of just that. If you're a rider who's looking for an extremely protective, short leather riding glove that has all the features and benefits you find in a race glove, minus the gauntlet, right? Got a palm slider, Kevlar reinforcement here, Kevlar reinforcement on the inside here in the back of the hand. It's everything you find in their TracTech EVO 4 race glove. But in a more convenient short riding glove, this is the ticket without question. We've got the back of the hand done in cowhide. We've got the palm done in kangaroo for more dexterity and more comfort. There is perforation in between the fingers to encourage airflow in and through the glove to keep your hands cool and comfortable. There's a finger bridge between your pinky and the finger next to it. There is another layer of leather rolled over the pinky into the impact zone. You'll see how that kind of merges here into the palm to enhance protection. The most critical spot in this glove, which is going to be this area. A lot of times when you fall, you're going to want to put your hand out, or that's going to be the first thing to make contact, so the glove really needs to be reinforced there. The palm sliders, we've covered this many times, but we'll say it again in this video in case you're new to this. The palm sliders are there to do a couple of different things. One is to encourage your hand to slide. Most of us, when we fall, instinctively, you're going to put your hands out. Instead of the leather just grabbing on the tarmac, the plastic slides a little bit easier. The plastic is also typically harder to wear through than the leather or the kangaroo would be, so it just really bolsters the impact and abrasion resistance in that particular area. You can see we've got some overlays in the area where your hands are going to touch the controls of the motorcycle. That is simply there to help the glove last longer. Additional protection for the thumb is found with a flap of leather. There's a little TPR detail there. Motion panel in the thumb. Motion panels across all the fingers. The knuckle protector, it's a carbon knuckle protector, and it's done in a tunnel system. So when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of it pulling on the glove, the tunnel just simply opens up and expands. As you can see, the whole back of the hand here is perforated. To tidy it all up, you get a nice TPR pull with Velcro. And something else that they did here that was smart, short gloves that don't have any fabric or leather here. When you're out riding in the sun, you can get yourself a hell of a sunburn in that area, right? Because it's uncovered skin, it's right in the sun. So they've tidied that up. It's like a little spandex panel, makes the glove easy to go on and come back off. This is essentially the TracTech EVO 4 Gauntlet Race Glove, just done in a shorter package, right? It makes sense. Available in two colors. The white black we're showing you here right now, and the all black that we have over here on the table. I would compare this to gloves in this category, right? Your short, real technical leather riding gloves that sell for well over $100. These are absolutely on par, and you'll find that when you compare these to another that sells for the same price, you see a lot of like textile, right, hybrid gloves that'll sell for around this price from the bigger brands. This is absolutely going to kick their ass in terms of protection and value. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.